Triumph is the leader of the TE1 prototype project, which involves the best British companies for producing the first electric motorcycle. The TE1 prototype project, of which Triumph is the leader, is developed in 4 phases, and brings together the best British companies in the field of automotive research and development and electrification, aimed at the production of electric motorcycles, thanks to the maximum integration between different systems, developed individually by the single partners. After Phase 1, which was the presentation in May 2019, it now enters Phase 2, showing the motor battery assembly and the sketches. Integrated project. The Hinckley House is at the head of an all-British project to develop technologies dedicated to electric motorcycles. After the presentation in May 2019, it has now entered Phase 2 of a 4-stage journey involving the most innovative engineering and design companies on the island. The TE1 project aims to develop an electric motorcycle equipped with advanced technology and innovative integrated design solutions. The first results are very satisfactory. In fact, the tests have shown the possibility of reaching and exceeding the current market benchmarks in terms of performance, durability, drivability expected from current electric motorcycles. Phase 2. Phase 2 of Triumph's TE1 prototype project is about the electric motor, its early results, and the design concept. For now, the project continues even better than expected. The performance of the engine was even better than the targets set by the UK Automotive Council for 2025, thanks to important work on mass and battery technology. The team's goal is to develop a high-performance electric motorcycle, and allow Triumph to start an upcoming electric motorcycle production. In addition to Triumph, Project TE1 brings together key players from the UK automotive and academic sectors and is supported and funded by the UK Government's Office for Zero Emission Vehicles, OZEV, Innovate UK. The completion of Phase 2, and the promising results achieved to date, provide us with an interesting preview of the real potential of the electric vehicle, and well show the talent and innovative spirit of this collaboration between several British excellence. Undoubtedly, the results of this project will be very useful for us to set and define the expectations of our customers towards the commercialization of a vehicle that can significantly reduce the environmental impact of their individual mobility, said Nick Bloor, CEO of Triumph. We are already seeing one of the pillars, that is Triumph motorcycles we always want to place at the base of our models, the perfect combination of driving pleasure, balanced on the road, and unmistakable Triumph character. To each his own. The future electric motorcycles will have to be as performing as the thermal ones, and have long battery life. This is the commitment undertaken by all parties involved in the TE1 project. Williams Advanced Engineering, is working on the cells and the battery's design, functional to the performance in every aspect, dimensions, and masses included, and able to provide the available power regardless of the charge level. Integral Powertrain Limited is working on designing the electric motor, trying to push the limits, reducing volumes and weight, and eliminating wiring. This solution made it possible to produce 180 horsepower, 130 kilowatts, in tests with a weight of just 10 kilograms, less than what the market has proposed up to now and much less than the competition, both electric and thermal. The University of Warwick worked alongside Triumph to define battery life and develop the appropriate software, testing it under real use conditions. A phase that made it possible to identify the best components to be designed by the partners, such as braking system, accelerator, lighting system, and more. Triumph struggles with the control unit that controls the vehicle and the various driving assistance systems, throttle management, ABS, traction control, etc. The Hinckley team took advantage of this to implement new safety systems and the future onboard dashboard. In addition to the electronic aspect, it is developing the chassis and the frame to house the batteries and the engine, given Phase 3, which involves constructing a complete prototype that will test in Phase 4. Motorcyclist in the center. A little like it was for the development of the Triton, and also for the TE1 project, Triumph has collected the opinions of motorcyclists and customers regarding their expectations for an electric motorcycle, combining traditional needs, power, comfort, and pleasure of guide, with future ones, reliability, durability for example. We started integrating the engine and batteries with the throttle management software to create an exciting and always controllable delivery. From a design standpoint, we want to interpret the Triumph brand in a coherent, and respectful yet fresh, and innovative way, says Steve Sargent, Triumph's product manager. Our DNA must always be recognizable. We are not interested in designing an object that is different from others just for the sake of capturing attention. We are excited about the progress we are achieving together with our partners, to redefine the real expectations of an electric motorcycle of the near future. The project. Several companies collaborate on the TE1 prototype project, each with a specific specialization. Triumph Motorcycles, project leader and motorcycle manufacturer, provides expertise in chassis design, parts assembly, vehicle engineering, electronic engine management systems. Williams Advanced Engineering supplies innovative batteries that are particularly light and performing. Integral Powertrain Limited's e-drive division deals with the electric motor and inverter design, developed in a fully integrated way. WMG, at the University of Warwick, provides expertise in the field of electric mobility in many aspects, identifying the best strategies to respond to future market demands and emerging trends. Office for Zero Emission Vehicles, OZEV, a government body made up of a team of professionals who deal with zero-emission mobility and find the necessary investments. He is part of the Department for Transport and the Department for Business, Energy, and Industrial Strategy. Innovate the UK is the body belonging to the British government in charge of encouraging and supporting innovation by aggregating British excellence. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.